When the sun reaches 15 degrees of celestial longitude, the solar term of Qingming arrives. As the naming of Qingming indicates, people may enjoy fresh air and splendid landscape at the time. Lives thrive brightly and vigorously. It's time when daylight stretches and vital young energy rises. A season of rejuvenation comes. The southern China witnesses a refreshing warmth already, while in the north temperatures rise quickly. Nature unfurls vigor during Qingming, as vegetation awakens under the bright spring sunshine. Qingming means both warm and joyous, a moment to be embraced, vibrant and full of hope. Yet, it bears a touch of coldness. Qingming is the only one of the 24 solar terms that also marks an important traditional festival, Doom Sweeping Day. Qingming holds special significance for Chinese. It transcends between heaven and earth and bears a weight comparable to 1,000 pounds. It marks the realm between life and death, light and shadow. Where there's a joy, there is sorrow. And where there is reunion, there is separation. Qingming, with its distinct character, tells a profound truth. Almost everything can find balance between motion and stillness, and warmth and chill may cohabit harmoniously. Life will spare no effort from now on. With the devotion of both past and future, an outcome always awaits there, whether good or not. In the ceaseless journey of time, everything in the world, once set into motion, has the potential for perpetual renewal. With rare exceptions,